DESALER helps you prepare technical and commercial requirements for seawater reverse osmosis desalination unit. It will guide you through typical steps summarizing your requirements for the product quality, the unit design, reliability and operability. Then it helps you select experienced manufacturers, publish your request, collect responses and perform technical and commercial comparisons of the offers. The first step is to collect data on the feed water chemistry. You may add as many sets as needed. Next you need to describe the plant output, the desalinated water quality, quantity and the consumption variation. Now you need to explicitly specify the standards DEN or ANSI for mechanical equipment, IEC or NEMA for electrical, NPT or BSP threading for instrumentation, British or metric units. Generally it is enough to mention seismic design category and area classification to engage the eligible standards for design. Maximum noise levels shall be set as well. Power section describes power supply voltage and frequency, instrument voltage, PLC voltage and control air pressure. You need to decide whether to use soft starting for motors and uninterrupted power supply for instruments and control. Basis of design is a set of guiding practices and magic numbers enforcing the plant design robustness. Here you set some of them like maximum number of desalination trains, design fouling of membranes, maximum recovery and its type, motor service factors, pump performance tolerances, piping overload capacities, and the equipment piece's service life. If the feed water intake and brine outfall are included in the plant scope, extra information is needed. It is summarized in the landscape drawing, bathymetric and seabed map, and the brine dispersion map. The basis of design mentioned above shall contain fluid materials compatibility matrix for all mechanical equipment types. Here you may edit its default version. As pretreatment is the heart of desalination, we need to set its quality requirements described by silt density index, turbidity, total suspended solids and others. You may amend any data in the tables below describing the membrane selection. Here you define the plant requested scope and the instrument type and quantity included in each subsystem. Instrumentation is what makes your plant remotely controllable and visible. Instrumentation is needed to automate the plant operation and to implement trend analysis and predictive maintenance. Submittals are the documents and drawings submitted with the plant quotation. Their availability and quality are the best indicators of the contractor experience and readiness to supply the plant. Clauses form the body of the plant technical specification. You may add new clauses or edit the default ones or ask the expert by clicking the question mark. Here all the entries are self-explanatory except for bidder sales ration and non-conformity ratio. First is the ratio of the bidder sales volume for the last 3 years to the plan price. The second pertains to the bid's evaluation criteria. Now you should make final check of the compiled document before publishing it. You may easily change the order of the document parts and download it as PDF file. Click the Publish button to send the invitation to the selected bidders.